There are many variations of Filipino pancit, but this Pancit Miki Guisado is one of my favorites because it's from my mom. And if you don't love your mom's food, what kind of child are you? What I love about this dish is that you can add in whatever veggies and proteins you like, but you do need the Pancit Miki, which are these fresh egg noodles, and they're pre-cooked, so they come in this package and it turns out like a block, but don't worry, it's gonna loosen up in the pan. Here I have some pork belly that I boiled up earlier. I'm just going to slice it very thinly. You can have a combination of pork and chicken, tofu, it's totally up to you. I've got a pan here on medium heat with some vegetable oil. Just gonna throw in the pork and let it brown up. This looks beautifully brown, and you don't have to do this step. I just prefer that little crispiness on this, but we are ready for the onion and garlic. Again, you can add any veggies you'd like. My mom always loved Chinese broccoli. Now for some shredded carrots, just for a little color. Remember, these noodles are already pre-cooked. You just have to throw them in the pan, apply some heat to loosen them up. It also helps if you add a little bit of water. Just go in there, loosen up the noodles, try not to break them all. And now we can add some soy sauce, a little oyster sauce, and some vinegar. This is Filipino spiced vinegar. Add a little bit at a time and then taste as you go. If you want it saltier, you can add more soy sauce, oyster sauce, and then for a final touch, some salt and pepper. This looks amazing, smells amazing. Now I'm gonna do the really stupid thing and try to stick my finger in here. It's hot. Look, Mom, no hands. I know that's something to be proud of. I'm gonna add some freshness with green onion. And finally, cilantro. These colors look so freaking good. Just gonna plate some up for myself in a bowl. I am way too excited about this. It's been quite a while. I'm gonna love this. I know you're gonna love this, so I hope you give it a try. I'll see you guys next time. Remember to just eat life. Money, power, oodles of noodle glory.